Hello everyone, my name's Andrew and this is the Try Not to Laugh Challenge cat food edition. So basically, if I laugh, I've got to have a spoon full of cat food. I don't want to do this at all. I really don't. Let me open up another tab, open it up to YouTube, but let me. Oh. So you guys know, I actually feel a little bit sick today. Literally, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I don't want to do this challenge. Look, I don't want to do it, but I'm going to, just for you guys. I know Sunday's done this challenge, because I just recently watched it. So, try not to laugh. Fuck's sake. I don't want to do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let us go. Ow!
Here we go!
Oh, fuck!
Oh!
Hey Mom,
Two
they
got
who
chipped.
want lasagna? Who want lasagna?
Ow! That was close. What the fuck? Oh! No! 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 I laughed! Oh! Fuck! No, I don't want to do this! I don't want to do this! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. I don't want to do this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was, oh, I can't, I'll gotta spit this out. No. Oh. Guys, give me a sec. Oh, that's fucking disgusting. I got it on the top. Oh, I've got the fucking. Oh, fucking horrid. Horrid out. Ugh. Ugh. Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh. That's fucking. I'm not doing that. Fuck no. I just give up now. Oh, I don't know even how my cat can eat that. Ugh. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. I've failed miserably. Oh. Ugh. Not that. I'm done. I'm done. No. Thank you guys so much for watching. Didn't want to do this challenge, but I did it just for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. See you guys in the next video. I don't want to do this challenge again. See you guys. As always, hope you come back and watch. I don't want to. No, just throw, guys. Throw. Oh.